A lot of the VR training software that exists allows people to mimic what they might be doing in real life, but not actually do it. The great advantage of a mixed reality solution is that you actually pick up the tools that you're going to be using. So it's quite a different experience from imagining what it would be like in a purely game scenario. A great example of that is the gate valve, which we have developed into a full training and assessment solution.
A gate valve is a standard piece of equipment used in industry, often in oil and gas, and the purpose is to learn how to disassemble the gate valve, inspect it, service it, reassemble it and test it. To do this, we're using a device called a HoloLens, it's very like a standard VR headset, except it uses a glass visor, so you can actually see the real world and things in front of you, while the HoloLens can overlay objects and holograms to help guide you through the process. So this means when the student actually goes through the process wearing the HoloLens, it's detecting all of the items that are in front of you, whether they're on the bench or actually assembled in the gate valve. And it can prompt you, it can show you which parts should be moved or where they should go as you progress. Or if you put the wrong part in the wrong place, it can guide you and suggest how it could be rectified. Or if you're going through an assessment mode, it can use that information to detect whether you've actually completed the process correctly or whether you've failed and need to take it again. So all of our applications, whether they're virtual reality or augmented reality, connect to a set of back-end hosted services which record the results and also all of the interactions and steps that are carried out through each process, which allow you to analyze that information, or it can be exported for further analysis later.
This allows them to train, evaluate and assess their operators on using this valve before they go out into the field and actually deploy it in real life.
To make this project possible, we first had to reverse engineer a real gate valve. We did this by using a handheld scanner to capture the valve and all the individual parts in 3D. Our team of artists then converted this data into a highly optimized games engine asset that would be suitable for the HoloLens.
The main thing is that it works. Not only does the technology work, but it actually teaches people how to carry out this process very quickly and effectively.
And we can see that there are multiple different applications of this technology in different sectors, not just oil and gas, can be done through this mixed reality environment, which is far cheaper, far safer, and much more accessible.
We're seeing the HoloLens 2 have a huge impact on how first-line workers in industrial environments can be trained through guided learning using holographic overlays and remote assistance. The companies that are embracing it are driving significant value, impact, and competitive advantage.